Hey, what's up guys? It's Brian from J&P Cycles. Today we're going to show you how to throw new grips on your M8 touring bike. Today I have a 2019 Road King and we're going to use the Kuryakyn Thresher grips. Let's show you how to get these things on. To gain access to the grip, we need to loosen up the housing here a bit. We're going to do that with a T25 bit. Now that we have access to the grip, you can see that little edge that sits on the inside of the housing. Now we can remove it. There's a couple ways to do it. If you have air, it's really easy to take an air chuck and blow air on the inside of the grip, causing it to expand and slide off. You could always cut it off. Or if you have some type of longer flathead screwdriver, kind of slowly just work your way down to allow you to pry it off. Me, I'm just gonna pull it off. When you look at the grips, they both look very similar, and because this is an electronic throttle bike, you need to look down inside the tubes to check and see which one has the gear inside. The one with the gears is the throttle side. Because we're working on the clutch, we're gonna go with the smooth bore inside. Just slide your new grip on the clutch slide on, and when you get it kind of all the way in, you're gonna rotate, and you're gonna see that it will actually kind of fall into place on your housing. Now we can remount the rest of the face of the housing and tighten everything back up. Let's repeat the process on the throttle side. Now remember, this is the grip with the gears on the inside, so those gears are going to align right here on the end of your bar. Really, this is a smooth bore all the way around, so we just need to get this edge on the inside of the housing. Make sure when you get everything tightened up to check to make sure that the throttle returns every time you let it go. Now that you know how to install your own grips, head over to jpcycles.com, use the My Bike Finder to ensure proper fitment, and enjoy the ride.